Here's a real sort of classic antique pine sleigh bed. So it's dating from around about 1900. You can see it's got a little bit of age to it, a bit of character, and these lovely knob ends on each corners, each corner. Nice shape in the side piece, and as you can see, there's no slats in here at the moment. We can supply slats if necessary, and the bed totally dismantles for delivery. So it's in nice condition. And we've got the code number D4508B. The price is $360 as it is. That's with no slats. And the 497 includes slats and wax finished. The height is 36 inches at the highest point. The length 76 and the width 46 inches. The gap for the mattress is 73 by 43. You can find companies online that make made-to-measure mattresses, so you can have a search. If you have problems getting hold of one, we do have a company we can contact, so just let us know.